The construction industry is always a leader in terms of economic health. When there is thriving construction, everyone is happy. People are working, real estate is being developed, and sometimes some structures or obstacles must be destroyed or demolished before the construction can begin. Yantai Junheng Construction Machinery Company Limited is an expert hydraulic breaker manufacturer and supplier. We have been developing and manufacturing braking hammers since 2002, and currently we are ranked #1 in the industry in China. Our hammers are the highest quality and will help you crush the competition. Whether you are breaking concrete, rock, trenching, or breaking very large obtrusions, we have the hammer for you. Junheng has established our own R&D department, so we can be sure we are ahead of the curve when supplying our clients with the latest advancements in the industry. While we focus completely on the manufacturing of our fine line of hammers, we place an equal amount of focus and energy on the development of new products and innovations to make your work more efficient and less costly with as little environmental impact as possible. We use only the finest production machines available and bring in many from Japan and South Korea. Our extensive R&D department will usually release 3 or 4 new types of hydraulic breakers each year. We have enjoyed a great period of expansion, and during this period have fostered great collaborations with many powerful international companies from South Korea and other countries. It is during this period that our products have gained a great reputation, both at home and abroad, for high quality, durability, and very competitive pricing. Junheng's strategic geographic location gives us a great advantage in terms of logistics. Our location on the Shandong Peninsula allows to ship more efficiently in terms of cost and shipping time. Also, we are able to receive our raw materials more quickly and at reduced expense. These advantages all add up to a much better price for the client. At Junheng, we believe when you take on a job, do it right. This is how we approach our manufacturing process. From raw material selection to thermal treating, machining and assembling, through to finished products. Junheng's hydraulic breakers are manufactured in a very meticulous manner. We begin by choosing nothing but first quality steel from the best mills. Next, this high quality steel is processed in our thermal treating workshop to ensure material hardness. After that, workers will conduct measuring, drilling, and grinding processes to the forged steel in the machining workshop. And last, our highly trained, skilled technicians will assemble the machine parts to complete the finished breakers. Junheng always employs very strict product testing measures, and every product which leaves our shop is put through this rigorous procedure in our comprehensive testing department in order to ensure a 100% product FPY. Once the engineers have completed their designs, we will produce samples based on those designs and then conduct analysis and adjustment to relevant parameters of the samples. Once these samples have been completely qualified, we put them into production. Hydraulic breaker, silent type. Hydraulic breaker, side type. Hydraulic breaker, open type. SP450. SP450, operating oil pressure 90 to 120 kilograms per centimeter squared. Impact rate 700 to 1200. SP530, operating oil pressure 90 to 120 kilograms per centimeter squared. Impact rate 600 to 1100. SP680. Operating oil pressure 110 to 140 kilograms per centimeter squared. Impact rate 500 to 900. SP750. Operating oil pressure 120 to 150 kilograms per centimeter squared. Impact rate 400 to 800. SP850. Operating oil pressure 130 to 160 kilograms per centimeter squared. Impact rate 400 to 800. SP1000. Operating oil pressure 150 to 170 kilograms per centimeter squared. Impact rate 350 to 700. SP1350. Operating oil pressure 160 to 180 kilograms per centimeter squared. Impact rate 350 to 600. SP1400. Operating oil pressure 160 to 180 kilograms per centimeter squared. Impact rate 350 to 500. SP1500. Operating oil pressure 160 to 180 kilograms per centimeter squared. Impact rate 300 to 450. SP1550. Operating oil pressure 160 to 180 kilograms per centimeter squared. Impact rate 300 to 450. SP1650. Operating oil pressure 160 to 180 kilograms per centimeter squared. Impact rate 250 to 400. SP1750. Operating oil pressure 160 to 180 kilograms per centimeter squared. Impact rate 200 to 350. Quick hitch coupler. Log grapple. Hydraulic rotary log grapple. Stone grapple. Hydraulic rotary stone grapple. Hydraulic compactor. Ripper. Yantai Junheng Construction Machinery has enjoyed a rocket ride to the top of the hydraulic breaker industry in China. We are alone at the top of this industry because we make the highest quality product with great durability and very competitive pricing. Clients are happy with our products from all over the world, and we have built collaborating relationships with great companies worldwide. Let Junheng be your solution in the breaker field, and when you use our products, we know you will do it right.